Shubor Nakaslem Jngohkai Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rombak Kejala Ubak Preston Tensong Hakasngi Balang Ulak Pensyai Baka Food Court Bertemu Bencana Umling Riboy District Kadei Tang Kejing Temu Na Kebenta Kekam Jngohkai Partai Bertemu Ben Penbiang Ya Kejing Don Kam Kiba Hakamat Tam Ya Kinonglej Nongwan Berkamut Baka Sarkar Kala Iehnoh Ya Kejing Temu Bencana Ya Ka Facilitation Center Kabapura Habakren bat kinong pathai kubor uba Preston ulaong bakani kejaka ketemu ban Chakri ya kibrio kibasange angta kamtam habayidai kejing terwa ya ka air freight station bertemu banchna bat kiwei kikam bayidai berka ulaong baka sarkar kadang yai budin banchna ya ka facilitation center ka bapura ha Umling berula benrap baka jupet slam kadai namar kejing temu penkala ya ka an Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act MRSSA kabadang pej banyak da katanat kampo iyeng Apa penpau ya kejisanya bakani kejepet kelaan kandap nok kloy ba Preston uloong baka sarkar kanang perklan chu ya kijing tei kibaladon lupa ha Umling anda lada penbet ya kijing kat kum kaan halor kejing Jngohkai balami nakakhasi Students Union KSU uloong baka sarkar ka kloy barbor banya kren berkalong ke besyai banya selok berkani keseng kat badon kam.
As far as food court is concerned, in fact, that is the only initiative taken by the tourism department to make sure that particular spot where we are supposed to have a facilitation center over there, people will automatically stop their vehicle, they have food, maybe while the process of checking takes place, they need to relax themselves, maybe they need to, you understand, the call of nature happens also. So therefore, we need to have this kind of facilities, number one. Number two, we are not at all done away with the idea of having a full-fledged facilitation center over there. We are not. The question of doing away, no, it is not there. We still continue. The only issue is when you talk about MRSSA, the issue is two. One, the amendment we passed in the assembly, we send it to the governor, and the governor again send it to the Ministry of Home Affairs, consultation, observation, discussion, and let me just tell you one thing. Last year, the Ministry of Home Affairs, they sent back to the governor with the observation, okay, with the observation. Then the governor again sent back to the government, and till today, this issue is being communicated with the Ministry of Home Affairs, and I'm very sure very soon this amendment, I think it will come to an end where the amendment will ultimately happen.
Just
So
adding to this, sir.
Already there.
Proper implementation. That's what they are saying.
Proper implementation. Let me tell you one thing. If you talk about East Castles, we have a full-fledged district task force headed by DTC, and then I think not less than 3-4 years now, this task force is inoperative till this moment. And even the consultation with the Rangbashnong, with the Senjuk Ki Reshnong, with different stakeholders, it is on. And with the police, because the system is already as per the act. But when you talk about setting up the gate, that center, so that is the question. That's what I'm saying. We would like to see that the amendment is true. Once the amendment is true, then we will make sure that center where in the past 5 years we set up over there, it will be further, it will be further strengthened, and at the same time we would like to see that all the facilities also are available in that place.
So will the government sit down?
Already met the KSU. I think CM has already explained everything, but of course it does not mean that it ends there. If they are still not clear, we are there. The door is open. We can sit down anytime, any moment.
Sir, any fast tracking?
All the district has been directed, has been notified also to have a district task force, and this has been notified. District task force is now operative in the entire state through the deputy commissioners.
No, since both the authorities are here, there are concerns about Shillong Dawki Road. You have been monitoring.